So now that I've got my orange zest and my sugar in my bowl, I've not plugged it in, have I? It's not going to do anything. Right, ready, let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Andrea. No. Loads of you have been asking for the. All right, so to make one of my some I had it in my head perfectly. So in try that again. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make my amazing, oh God, Andrea, sort yourself out. While my, what's it called? Decoration. Do check out my other cookies videos and all my other videos, and do let me know if you've enjoyed this video in the comments below. I just lost my train of thought then. A tablespoon of salt. Now that's a teaspoon of salt. I keep saying that wrong. Today I'm going to show you a dairy-free carrot cake that I'm going to make for a friend's birthday. And I've lost my train of thought. That was helpful. I have to compose myself a little. So just... So normally, give me a minute. Today I'm going to share with you my beautiful lemony. See, I've done it already. I've done it already. I have to. This is like tradition now, isn't it? That I just mess up for the first like 2-3 goes. Hi everyone. Now I do the big breath. See, you've put me off now. It's your fault. You checking it was recording? National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. No, I was going to say CPB&J. See? I knew that. See? That's why I had to get it in my head. And you laughed at me for it. It's your fault. I'm blaming you. Blame him. Think about it. It was good otherwise. You don't need to see this glamorous bit. Glamour. I'm doing it again. And I'm going to give this a quick mix together. Gonna have to stop because this wasn't plugged in. Ruin the flow. What are you doing? This artist at work. Artist at work. They are absolutely divine. Ooh. What else was I gonna say? What am I gonna say? I lost track of my brain. And then turn them both upside down. Nope, let me try that again. That did not work. Now this, a lot like icing sugar, could be messy, so be warned. Like that. Because I don't want your grubby paws all over. Oh. Oops. Is that a good face for you? This is beautifully buttery shortbread. Let me try that again. Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Movers and Bakers. Today I'm going to share with you my beautiful zesty recipe for lemon drizzle cookies. They are beautiful. Let's get baking.
You said beautiful twice.
Ugh, it's because I am beautiful.
And I want a pony.
There you go, some more gold for you. Let's get baking. Was that good?